Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile or any Android mobile, if you are by mistake deleting any contact and if you want that contact back again, then how will you do that? I am going to cover in this video very quickly. First I will tell for the Samsung mobile and then I will tell for another Android mobiles. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel and if you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So just go to the search in Samsung and search for contacts and go for the first one. Here you will see many contacts, all your phone contacts. Just delete the first one. I am deleting it for showing you. Now that contact is not here, that contact has been deleted from the phone book. Just tap on right and go to the tap here this 3 horizontal lines and go to the recycle bin. Here you will find. So just after selecting both, how to have come, I have deleted earlier also, so all the two are showing here. Just tap here left bottom side one restore soft button is there. Just restore it, contacts restored, go back. Here you will see both. Okay, so this is one for the Samsung mobile, and for other mobiles again go and search that application contacts, and here this blue color contact, just open it. Okay, now see that contact has come. Here I will delete it again. Delete, move to bin. Now what you do, just fix and manage. Here in fix and manage you will see this bin. Just go to the bin. It will take some time, but bin is empty. Again go, it will take some time. Upload, see it has come. Now select it and then just 3 buttons, go and recover it. 3 not buttons, 3 dots, and recover it. It will be recovered and it will come in, will sync soon. After some time you can see, you exit it. Okay, now again go contacts and here just go to the contacts and here you will see it has come. So this is what I wanted to tell you, how you can recover the contacts in Samsung and other Android mobiles. So if you like the video, please do consider, very simple techniques. Please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.